Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage snippets in Hubspot. In order to do that, you first need to head over here and Hubspot Global Home and click on the search bar and search for snippets. Should be able to find them under the apps, so click on this right here. Once you're in there, proceed to click on the Create Snippet option. Now give it a name, so for example, let's name this as Default and add right here the snippet text for the content. Let me just add right here a placeholder and add right here the shortcut for it. I'll input Default as well and click on Save Snippet. It's worth mentioning that snippets can be incredibly versatile depending on your workflow. You might create snippets for frequently used phrases, email templates, greetings, or even internal notes. Some users even organize snippets by project, client, or team, which makes collaboration much easier. Additionally, you can experiment with formatting, include emojis if appropriate, or add links to documentation. Over time, having a well-organized library of snippets can save significant time, reduce repetitive typing, and ensure consistency in communication across emails, chats, and other channels. Now, as you can see, the snippet has been added, and you can also categorize snippets for easy organization. If you want to use it, you can just type the shortcut in emails or chats, and you can edit and delete the snippets anytime from the Snippets dashboard. So that's all there is today. If you found this video helpful, hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next.